Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haque here, back with another video. I'm here with Labib Haque.
Oh, this video's going to go over like 3 months.
Yeah, probably 6 years. He helped me on the Audi A3 project. Thank you for that.
No worries.
And we are here with Mr. Abu Bakr Ahmed. He helped me with the SVR project. That's his SVR as well. So thank you as well. Thank you. Okay, so today I will show you how to do the headlight washing of the Golf Mark 6 or whichever. It's the same procedure on the Mark 7 and stuff like that. So what you need to have is your headlights fully on, and you want to use the sprayer, which is this side. I'll show you. So you want to press that in. This only works 1 in 5 times because it doesn't want to waste your motor. It doesn't want to burn out your motor, and it doesn't want to. They made it so it doesn't burn out your motor and it doesn't waste too much fluid. And you have to have your lights on full. And basically you want to press it and then you'll do it. And I'll show you. I'll hand over the camera so you can see what's happening at the front when I press it.
Bro, do you want to get in the video? Oh shit, I don't have your consent, never mind. Oh wait. Bro, do you want to be in the video? You can't, I don't have your consent. Fucking.